Hey, this is Matthew with ARAC Roof It Ford. I'm over here at 5022 Grover's Drive with Mr. Yates. I'm gonna attempt a repair on this house. We just discovered a leak on the front side right around the pipe boot, so I'm gonna attempt to repair this shingle right here. You can see that there's cracking in this shingle. We'll get a little close here. There's cracking in this shingle, so I'm gonna attempt to repair this shingle. Stand. So I've got just a little paint scraper here. In order to repair this shingle, remove this shingle and replace it, I'm gonna remove the nails around this shingle. So I've got to lift the shingle around it and above it in order to do so. So I've got a nail here, and I've got a nail here. One nail. Two now. Three down. Five. Should be loose now. One more. Somewhere. Shingle's out. The reason I did this shingle is because it was cracked and broken right there. So I'm going to attempt to put the shingle back in. In order to do so, I'm going to lift these shingles to about a 45-degree angle in order to hammer them in without hitting the edge of the shingle above. So let's do that now. This you can see it's just coming all undone. Just one lift to replace it. You see the black line there. So I'm going to do the same on this one. As you can see, it's creasing, cracking. So it looks right now this shingle is unrepairable, but I'm going to continue to put nails back in. Got to get it up high enough to where I don't hit it with the hammer and the nail goes in flush. You can clearly see the amount of cracking and breaking here. See that? Same thing on this one. There, just cracking all the way down. So, unfortunately, this shingle is unrepairable. It's brittle, too brittle to do anything. So there's a repair attempt has failed. Again, this is Matthew with ARAC Roof It Forward. Thanks for watching.